Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an empty house tour, and we actually recently moved here about a week ago, and so I just wanted you guys to see our beautiful empty house. So come on in. As you come in, here is a small hallway, and it's not that big, it's quite tiny, but I actually like it so far. And we actually just recently bought this shoe rack at Burlington, and here we do have this lovely buffet. But you know what, you guys are going to see the finished work after I'm finished. So this is our garage, and I'm not going to show you what it's look like for now, but this is our garage door. And as you come in, here to the left, we do have a half bathroom, guys. So this is our half bathroom, and this house carries 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and it's quite lovely. It's about 15,000. It's about, yeah, and it's about 1,500 square footage. So as we go here, this is our kitchen. Come, sweetheart, come along. So this is our kitchen. It's not that big, but guess what? We like it so far. It's a nice kitchen. It's not that big, but it's quite lovely, So yeah, this here is the kitchen area, and we come back out this way. This is a small closet, and I'm not sure what I'm going to be using it for, but I'm not going to show you in it as yet because it's quite messy. And as we come this way, this is our living room / dining area. So on that end, we're going to use this area for a dining room, and we're going to be using this area for our living room, our sitting room. So we have everything piled up, and we're going to be doing a lot of unpacking this weekend. And here we are. We're going to be going upstairs, and come along. So we're going upstairs, or where all the bedrooms are. So actually, this is my favorite piece. This is actually this chandelier. I do like it a lot. It's quite lovely, and that's what I like the most. Yeah. So here we are. We're going to be going upstairs. As we're going upstairs, this is our upstairs area where all the bedrooms are. And as we come upstairs and to the right, this is the master bedroom to the right. So this is our master bedroom, and it's quite a good size, it's quite lovely. And in here we do have the bathroom, and there's a closet area as well. It's a walk-in closet, but it's not that big, it's a small walk-in closet, but I'm not going to show you in it today, not now, because it's quite messy. And after I'm through with everything, then I'll show you guys the finished work. So now we're gonna head out this way, and this is over on the other side of the hallway. This is our closet, and this is closet areas where we're going to be putting the washer and dryer. And after I'm through putting it, this house didn't come with a washer and dryer, so we're going to be purchasing one, and we're going to have it in there as soon as possible. So on this side of the house, we have the girls. This is our girls bedroom, but I'm not going to be showing it because all the children are in there, and I told them to be very quiet, not to say one word. So they're very quiet, and I'm not going to put them on camera. Anyway, this is their bathroom. They share a bathroom, the girls and the boy. So this is their bathroom. It's quite messy, but it's a nice size bathroom, and I do like it. It's going to be put together, and after it's put together, then I will be showing you guys the finished work. And this is our son bedroom. He's 7 years old, and this is his bedroom, and it's quite a bit messy in here, But after we're finished over the weekend, you know, I'm going to take my dear time now, and after that I'll be filming for you guys to see the finished work. So his room, as you can see, it does have a closet. It's quite a tiny closet in this area, but I mean, it's not that bad. But you know, thank you, Jesus. And that's it, guys. But at this moment, we're very thankful and grateful to God. Praise you, Jesus. And we're actually excited. We recently moved here about a week ago. We moved from Illinois into Atlanta, and we're very excited. We're here to see what God has in store for us. And you know, I'm very excited. And I'm going to be doing a video soon on the finished work of the house, and a nice house tour to show you guys what we have done with this house. I can't wait. Yes, I can. I'll wait to you know, decorate and show you guys the finished work. I'm very excited, and I'm grateful to God to bless us with such a lovely home. And thank you, Jesus. And so, you know, that's it for today, guys, and you look out for the next video. Thank you, and you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye. Mwah.